Okay, Mitakeapi, I'm going to show you how to do a building block with a header in Microsoft Word. We're also going to help the Lakota 2 class. So this is what it's going to look like. As you can see up here is my header. This is a letter they're writing to Kyrie, and it has our McLaughlin logo and the Standing Rock Sioux Tribe logo, and then Matho Akichita Oyanke Owaiowa, which translates to McLaughlin School. So what we need to do is go to File, Open Word. Always change your settings to Times New Roman and the 12-point font. That's how my settings are defaulted to. And then also in your paragraphs, you're going to want to go in, and I always set mine to single line spacing and 0 point. I think on standard it comes as 6 point and multiple. Anyway, you'll get a lot of funny stuff. So always do that when you first start your projects. And let's get started. So the first thing I'm going to do is, so you guys can see all of the lines, what that does is it just shows you. They won't show up in your final, but it just shows like where you entered and where you space bar and stuff like that. So the first thing I'm going to do is insert one of my pictures that I saved, and I am looking for the McLaughlin School logo. Insert, and I'm gonna hit that, and what I want to do is in front of text. What that allows you to do is it allows you to move it all over your screen, but I'm gonna put it right there for now. Okay, the next thing I need to do is insert the Standing Rock logo, and I need to find that. What did I do with that? Maybe it's in here, maybe not. Okay, there it is right there. Okay, and I'm going to insert that, same thing, move it, and then I'm able to move it. So what you want to do is you want to size them about the same size and put them proportional to each other. This one's a little bit bigger and a little bit higher. Okay, I think I like where that's at. And then we're going to insert a line like we did. Insert shapes, and we're just going to use a straight line. And I matched them up evenly with the end of both of my pictures, and I tried to make that as straight as I could. I think that's straight. And then you're going to right click, and we're going to format our shape just like we did with our last project. And I want my line to be orange. Okay, and then width, I went with, let's go with 3.25. I think that really stands out well. Okay, and then maybe check, this can kind of be higher, maybe just a touch higher. Okay, next thing, insert shapes, draw a text box, and you just want it to be kind of even again, same thing. You could move this text box later, but what we're going to put in is go to your Lakota keyboard. Okay, oop. I was on my Lakota keyboard, but anyway, go to your Lakota keyboard, type Matho Akichita Oyanke Owaiowa. What that means is Bear Soldier Community School, so McLaughlin School. And then Control E will center that, and then Control right bracket will make it bigger. Okay, and I want it to fit in my text box. I got that weird that box on there again. I want to get rid of that. So click on that shape again, and you're going to go over here. If that doesn't come up, you're going to right click and format shape, and then these options are going to come up. But we're going to go to the text options, click right here. Nope, wrong one, sorry. Let's go back to our shape options and see our line here. We're going to click no line, and that takes that line out. The other thing we need to do, Well, it's fine right now. It's not going to show up on your print, but on these you can ignore. I usually add them to dictionary, but we can ignore them. And then you're done with your header. The next step, this is a new skill, is we need to highlight all of this, okay? So I highlighted it, I clicked on it twice. Anyway, you might have to play around, but click on it. And then what you are going to do is, in your insert, you're going to move over to Quick Parts. Quick Parts, save selection to Quick Part Gallery. All right, and then label it. So we can say Lakota 2 header. All right. Or we could use it as our header. We could just call it McLaughlin Standing Rock header. All right. So what we want to do is we want to go to gallery and save it into headers. Okay. This is important. Press OK. And what you did was, when you go to your insert your headers, it should show up as one of your headers. I did 2 of them, okay, but the one we just did is right here. Okay, so, and then what you're gonna do is type in Lakota, the Lakota from that I posted on Edmodo. All right, and type that in Lakota. That'll be the next letter. After you're finished typing, you're gonna open a new document, and then you're gonna insert header and find your header, and it just saves you some time. Then you can put your header in. Okay, so once you got your header in, oh, got some funny formatting on it. So let's see. It's good that we had this problem now, right? So now I can move, I'll need to move my header down. Okay. Reformat. Okay, let's try that again. Same thing. All right. Insert quick parts, save selection to quick part gallery, Lakota, what did we say? McLaughlin, Standing Rock, header. Gallery, we want to save that as a header. Okay, you want to redefine the building block entry? Yes. File, new, let's see if it works. Insert header. Find our new header. Okay, this one. See if it works. Yep, and it works. Okay, and what we're going to do is we're going to go down and start typing our letter in English. Okay, so in English, little mountain, and then we have our translation. When we say thank, but yeah, you have the directions in English. It's important to create your header, your building block, because it saves you a lot of time. All right. Hopefully this helps. Have any questions, let me know. I'm trying to turn off my recording.